In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new matter in Clio. Let's start by opening your web browser on your computer. In the search bar at the top, type Clio and hit Enter. You'll see a list of search results appear. Now, look for the link that takes you to Clio's official website, which is usually at the very top. You can identify it by the URL, which should read www.clio.com. Click on that link to proceed. Once the website loads, you'll find yourself on Clio's homepage. Here, you need to find the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen, so go ahead and click that to move forward. After you click Login, you will be directed to a new page where you'll have options like Clio Manage, Clio Grow, and others depending on your subscription and access rights. For creating a new matter, you need to click on Clio Manage. This action will redirect you to the dashboard where you can manage all your cases and other important law practice details. Now, once you're in Clio Manage, take a moment to look around the navigation bar. You'll see various tabs such as Dashboard, Contacts, Calendars, and more. The tab we're interested in today is the Matters tab. It might be placed towards the left of the menu. Go ahead and click on the Matters tab, as this is where you will manage all the legal matters that you have going on. Once you're in the Matters section, look for the New Matter button. This button is typically easy to spot, often highlighted or positioned prominently on the screen. Clicking this button opens up a new window or page where you can enter all the details necessary for setting up the new matter. Now, here's a critical part. You need to fill out all the required details of the new matter. This includes, but is not limited to, things like the matter's name, description, and relevant dates. It's also important to link the matter to an existing contact or create a new contact if this is a new client. This ensures all your data is properly organized and easily accessible within Clio's system. Once you've double-checked all the entered information for accuracy, ensuring everything is correct and complete to avoid any future headaches, the final step is to click the Save Matter button. This will store the new matter in the system, making it officially part of your case portfolio in Clio. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new matter in Clio.